Hello friends, let us do one problem from the topic binding energy. Given the following isotope masses, the mass of 3 lithium-7 is given in atomic mass units. The mass of 3 lithium-6 isotope of lithium is also given. The mass of neutron is given. Calculate the binding energy of a neutron in the 3 lithium-7 nucleus. Express the result in U, mega electron volt and joules. Let us try to do this problem. So if we look closely at the given data, you can understand that we are given with the masses of 3 different entities and the binding energy of a neutron in 3 lithium-7 is asked to find out. You can clearly understand that when 3 lithium-6 and a neutron combines together, 3 lithium-7 is formed because a neutron is in excess in 3 lithium-7 when compared with 3 lithium-6. So these two entities, 3 lithium-6 and neutron, on combining together will give you 3 lithium-7. So let us first find out the total mass we expect when we take together 3 lithium-6 and neutron. So let me write mass of 3 lithium-6 and 1 neutron taken together will be equal to 6.015125 U plus 1.008665 U. So on adding these together, you will get 7.023790 U as the answer. So this is the weight of a lithium-6 nucleus and a neutron taken together. The mass of lithium-6 nucleus and a neutron taken together. But if we look into the mass of a lithium-7 nucleus, what is its mass? It is 7.016004 U. So you can clearly see on combining a neutron with a lithium nucleus, the expected mass is this value, but the actual measured value is slightly less. That means some mass is getting lost when this process happens. When a neutron is added into the 6 lithium nucleus, some mass is lost, and that is called mass defect, right? This difference in mass acts like the binding energy that is converted into energy. So let us find out that mass defect. In the question we are asked to find the binding energy in terms of U. That actually means you have to find the mass defect. So let us find the mass defect delta M, or that is the binding energy in U. So delta M equal to difference between these two masses, 7.023790 minus 7.016004, which is equal to 0.00786 U. So this is the mass defect in this case. So that is the binding energy of a neutron in terms of U. Now let us calculate the binding energy in mega electron volt. So in order to calculate binding energy in mega electron volts, you just need to multiply the mass defect in terms of U, which is 0.0077786 in this case, multiplied by 931.5, which will give you the value 7.2527 mega electron volt. So this is the binding energy in terms of mega electron volt. All you need is to do is to multiply the mass defect in terms of U with 931.5. In the last video, we have already seen the value, how we obtain the value 931.5. The energy equivalence of one atomic mass unit is 931.5. The Einstein's mass energy relation is already applied in this value. You do not need to multiply with c square or anything after multiplying with 931.5. So this is the binding energy of one neutron in lithium-7 nucleus in mega electron volt. Now let us calculate the binding energy in joule. Binding energy in joules is equal to Let us convert this value into joules. 7.2527. How do you convert 1 electron volt into joule? 1 electron volt equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 joules. So then 1 mega electron volt equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 into 10 raised to 6. 10 raised to 6 stands for mega. Mega is 10 raised to 6. So this is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 13. So in order to convert mega electron volt into joules, we need to multiply by 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 13. So let me multiply this with 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 13. And you can find the value to be equal to 11.604 into 10 raised to minus 13 joules. So this is the binding energy of the neutron in terms of joules. So we have found out the three answers. The binding energy in terms of U, which is the mass defect, and multiplying the mass defect with 931.5, we got 7.2527 mega electron volt, and then we converted it into joules. You have to remember, when multiplying with 931.5, the mass defect should be in terms of AMU. No other units can be converted like this. If it is in kilogram, do not multiply by 931.5. The conversion from atomic mass unit into mega electron volt can be done using multiplication with this factor. I hope the session today is clear for you. Thank you.